I want to come on here to give you guys an update on the story that we've been following pretty much all week now, which is, of course, air quality in our area here in southern Wisconsin. Now, the poor air quality continues to be a problem. Probably seen people outside wearing KN95 or N95 masks because of those air quality concerns and recommendations from health officials to limit time outside if you can and really try to stay indoors. Now, we do have another first alert day declared today, Thursday, by our NBC 15 First Alert Weather Team. And I actually have a map here that I want to pull up to show you the current most updated air quality conditions. So as you can see, the majority of southern Wisconsin is now in that red unhealthy category. So we were previously, up until at some point this afternoon, into this morning yesterday, we were in the pink, the very unhealthy category, where it was quite dangerous to be outdoors. Now we have slightly improved. We are still in the unhealthy category, so we're up one tier into the red from the very unhealthy into the unhealthy category. But again, that is still a major concern through today, Thursday, and this basically means that you should still try to limit your time outside and really avoid being outdoors if you can, trying not to breathe in that contaminated air, which we know can have negative health repercussions. So if you're wondering, when we're going to be able to go outside again, probably the best time to start going outside again will not be until tomorrow, Friday. So I did talk with our First Alert Weather Team, and they say that it is kind of on the path towards getting better, and those hazy skies are starting to, even if you've walked outside today, you probably noticed that it's seeming a little better, not quite as smoky as we've been seeing the past couple of days, but again, it is still a first alert day. We are still in that unhealthy red category, meaning that if you can avoid being outside, it's best to stay indoors with the air conditioning on, and that you can see to our north a little bit over in La Crosse and toward Rochester, in that direction. It's starting to be in the orange category, meaning that sensitive groups, those vulnerable populations, should try to avoid being outside due to that air quality. So we're hoping to get into that area over in Madison and the surrounding counties by tomorrow. Now, I just also want to note that if you were planning on going to concerts on the square, we did talk about how that was postponed until tonight, Thursday night at 7 o'clock. That has been now postponed. It is TBD when that concert will now be taking place. So we do not know when the new date is. We do know that Concert on the Square will now kick off its season on July 5th. So coming back after the holiday weekend with a different show. So Vivo Tiempo Libre was set for tonight. It was postponed, originally scheduled for Wednesday night last night, and then postponed because of those air quality conditions until tonight at 7 o'clock. Now, Wisconsin Chamber Orchestra did make an announcement that they will be pushing back that start date to July 5th with actually a completely different show. So we won't be seeing Viva Tiempo Libre on July 5th. That show now postponed to a date that should be announced later. We still don't know what when that concert will take place. Of course, we will keep you updated when we do learn details about the new date and when that show will be rescheduled. So again, we just want to make sure that everyone's taking this seriously, because again, here I'll pull up some video for you of the hazy conditions that we shot. Even there on the lake, you really can't even see to the other side. That's supposed to be the Capitol, and you really can't see much. So hopefully you're all staying safe and limiting your outdoor activity if you can. And of course, you can download our First Alert weather app for updates on all of the latest conditions, and of course, we'll have updates on there as well as here at NBC 15 on the air and on our website, NBC15.com. But it is really handy to have our weather app. It'll give you all of the latest updates on conditions and what we're tracking, and as we receive updates on this smoky, hazy, poor air quality that we've been seeing over the past couple of days. And other than that, hope everyone's having a good Thursday afternoon. Hopefully you're staying inside, staying safe, and just wanted to give you a quick update on this air quality that we've been following. But happy Thursday afternoon, and again, you can always follow the news at NBC15.com.